Everyone, me here once again. Today we're going to be roasting Ryan Higa. If you don't know who that is, it's a pranking channel, which is pretty funny. It is pretty funny on his April Fool's episode. All it is just a couple of guys. He's just doing something funny. Today, I'm joined with my friend. Introduce you. Nope, I'm not. Okay, now I'll do it.
Fuck you. Tony. Or Tanya.
You can call him by either or. I'll be referring to him as Tony for this episode. So, let's get to the roast. And by the way, we're gonna try to roast him by doing idioms and riddles. So 3, 2, 1. Hey, yeah, you know your mom? Yeah, I just made love with her last night. Oh yeah, I would bite my tongue, but I need it for your mom. Yeah. So do you see your spoon? I'll give you a taste of your own medicine. Yeah, you should put a suck in it. Yeah, you should stop living in the past, yo. That's handing over to my friend Tony. Oh yeah.
Man, fuck those idioms. Fuck those whatever he said. I'm just gonna be straight up, man. Your ass, you trash. You fucking head ass. But your hairline look like plastic hands. Man, that's why you look like a fucking Donald Duck. You look like little me. Whenever she got fucked, she a slut cause you a bitch. Little shit. Fuck you. I'm done. I'm done with it.
So yeah. You see all those people laying on the ground? They died by watching your content. There's only three people. There's only 4 people that are sleeping. That's Miguel O'Hara, Tom Holland, Spider-Man, and Iron Man. Yeah. All those people are just sleeping. Those people I just listed are only sleeping. Yeah. So yeah. You should just quit living in the past, yo. So, ew, you put your sock and your bag of chips. Ew, that's disgusting, dude. Who told you to put your sock in there?
Someone's calling you. Someone's calling you on your phone.
So anyway, yeah. I'll call him back. But anyway, I know no one cares about you. You used to be number one. That's a lot of people with their screws loose. That's my brother. I let it go to voicemail because you're no one who enters, yo. You're nothing but a fool.
Looking like a little bitch who sucks on a dick for fucking money, you little prostitute. Bitch, you ain't got shit to say, cause you all not shut up. You ain't got a dick a day. Yeah, you a female with a vagina. Yeah, he ain't even gotta touch it anymore. Little hoe ass bitch, you looking like a whore. Yeah. Spitting bars, you spitting cards, you spitting out jizz from your mouth like you sucking dick.
Excuse me.
Bitch.
Now let's do something together. Now let's do a phrase together that's a roast about something that's not a swear word, but something that's not nice. Yeah, you suck. Yeah. This is.
Yeah.
Yo. Time for the breaking down roast in 2 parts. You do the. And I do.
He's calling again.
It's a private number. Redo. Yeah. So, no one knows. Yet, you are so, you suck. You suck. No one cares about you. Yeah, so one sucks. No one cares about you. No one cares about you. So you should go
suck my dick, bitch. You ain't got shit to say. You looking like a little Spanish ass, bitch. That's why you got a little dick. Hey, your wifey left you for what? A baby? fuck you. I don't know what it is. Or maybe.
And if for people who left a thumbs down in the comments, they probably don't know that this is just a joke. So yeah, anyway, I'm a big fan of Ryan Higa, and I'm also subscribed to him. So leave a comment down below who you want me to roast next, because I really seen a whole bunch of you wanted to roast him. So let's get done.